Hi guys, time check. It's 9:20 p.m. and yan palang progress ko. Yan pa lang. I've been here since like 8 and nanood lang ako. Yeah, this is bad. For my productivity, I blame Longshot. So yan, that's Woojin. If you don't know them, I'm judging you. Hindi, joke lang. Go lang. So, yun lang. Sana matapos ako. Bye-bye.
Bukas po yung admin, te. Bukas po. Thank you.
I'm happy. In the cozy suite. So, kaka-check out lang nung guest. And, dapat lang sa inyo kung iniiwanan nila. So, unit, we have the smart TV here. And then, may pool tayo. Sa pool. Kita nyo? Ay, mag-flip ng kamo. Ay. We have the bed. Tara. Tara. See that, see that, see that. And, actually, spare bedroom to. Kung 4 packs kayo. Okay, let me quickly show you yung comfy suite naman natin. It's the next condo unit dito sa cozy natin. They're exactly the same, guys. Exactly the same. See? What did I tell you? Ang difference lang is etong side na to is nandito siya sa kanan, sa kabilang suite, tas yung pinto na sa kabila. But, yep, this is what it looks like. Anyong. Yan. Solid, solid. Malinis yung mga guests natin. Thank you. Magtatapon lang ang kalat. That's it for the update, guys. So, magtatapon lang ako ng kalat ngayon. Thank you sa mga nagstay. Thank you for taking care of the units. And hopefully, wala tayo maging pasaway na guest. Kasi so far, malilinis yung mga naging guest natin. Although, mahilig lang sila magluto. That's what I can say. Okay, bye-bye. That's all. No!